All right, well, this is going to be a quick update. In my hand, I have these double-sided foil paper proxies that I made with our bundle. Um, Let me put you down real quick. This right here is what I used. So some of you already received the Crackhead Circulator material bundle, and some of you have not. I'm gonna address that just in a second. Um, so yeah, double-sided photo paper. And just in case you've been wondering what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks, or actually 2 weeks, ever since I got back from my honeymoon, if you followed my TikTok or if you are in my school community, you know what's been going on. So just came back from that. So I actually been trying to perfect the double-sided printing technique, right? What we have came to was the alignment of double-sided printing can be very tricky, and that hasn't changed. So even though we have tools that allows you to do that on PC, there isn't really an easy way to do it on Mac. And also there is the way where you can use Allen's Silhouette Card Maker's program that actually uh, would adjust your, I don't know if adjust is the right way because I haven't gone through that whole process yet. It seems a little complicated to me. Plus, I just haven't done it through and through because I felt like, I don't know, maybe I just have some internal resistance to actually coding it, make sure it all comes out well. So what I've been trying to do is I've been trying the physical ways of aligning all the front and the backs. And then the result is just not as, it's not perfect. You know what I mean? Like you get a backing to it. So if you just print, here are some of my test sheets. I'll just show you, right? So this is a double-sided photo foil paper that comes in our bundle, right? So the front and the back. Funny enough, I actually made a mistake about the front. I just printed into with a not preset. It's not optimized for this type of paper, so it's all like sticky and everything. And then the ink is not. It's pigment ink, so once you touch it, it wipes it off. That was when I first started testing. But again, the goal is to print on the front and the back and to have them align perfectly, right? The difficult thing by doing that is as soon as you flip your paper when it spits out from the printer, then the alignment will be messed up because how the roller picks up the paper, how the printer is printing. It doesn't seem like a very super complicated issue to solve, but apparently it is. Um, but yeah, I'm still actively working on it, trying to position the paper a certain way or adjust some settings. So if you found a solution, let us know in the comments. But so another discovery I found with these double-sided photo paper is I don't actually prefer them to be laminated. So I'm not laminating any of these my double-sided foil thing because they are good. I mean, they feel really rigid and then they feel really, what's the word? The thickness is just about right. It's just a tiny bit thicker than the regular card, right? Regular MTG card. But everything else felt just right out of the printer, meaning you don't have to put lamination on it. You don't have to do any extra steps besides putting them into the sleeve if you are playing with them, right? So what I'm saying, let me show you a demonstration. Try to make it see. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, right here. So Atali, right? Atali the dinosaur. So the front page printed no problem, but as soon as I printed on the back, you can probably see on this side, the image is off printed to the left slightly. I mean, you can tell by the border how thick this is right here and how thin this side is. And that's just how it is right now with the method I'm using on printing front and back. but I would love to I would love to perfect, to have the front and back aligned, and I think most of us wanted that. So I'm still actively trying to figure out a way to do that. By the way, I'm printing with the 8550, the one that I got right here. Excuse me for the mess on my desk. So that's what I've been doing, technically, trying to print double-sided card and then make this perfect, and also making a whole proxy mastered class that talks about all the methods and show you how to do it, and show you how to do it with our bundle as well. Some of the updated methods, for example, like printing on our single-sided photo paper. And by the way, I saw your emails and the questions about not being able to print on the back side of the single-sided foil photo paper. That's just the nature of the paper material, and there's nothing I can do about it. Let me see, do I have an example? I don't think I have an example. Oh, wait. Right here. So, yeah, I mean, it's like plastic, right? You can't really print on plastic on this single-sided foil paper. By the way, this is laminated, right? One-sided laminated. The back side is just the plasticky feeling. So with that out of the way, I want to tell you a little bit about the orders, right? So as if Monday, I was told by my cousin, right? I called him last night asking him about the orders because I keep getting questions about it. He told me by Monday, all the other additional orders has been sent out, because a bunch of them is already being sent out, delivered. Some of you already received your bundle because we ran out so quickly, and then because he told me that what was he saying specifically? The bundle B, there's deck box and some other additional things that would not fit within the same paper box or the shipping container, whatever things that are using. So some of those orders are delayed, and plus some places that is hard to ship to are delayed as well. So today is the 22nd by the time I'm recording this video. By the 20th, 2 days ago, all the orders that you haven't seen an update has been shipped out already. Now, whether you will get an update, that's the thing, because you will not get an update on your shipping process until the actual product being received by your local warehouse. Okay, that can take up to 15 to 20 days, because that's by ship, right? By shipping overseas from China to your local warehouse, whether that's in Europe or North America. And then it should only take up to 3, or I don't know, if you live somewhere really far away, then 3-4 days, give it a 3-4 days as it arrives at your local warehouse. The actual delivery process is very fast from your warehouse to your address. It's only when it's coming from another country, that's the part that takes a long time. So again, I appreciate you for your patience. It is something that I've never done before. It is not gonna lie, very new territory for me to actually get a physical product made and then get it into your hand. So again, your patience, your grace is been helping me a lot through this process. It doesn't excuse any of these delays. I understand. I will definitely, do better with my cousin in the future with these things. So, the time of your wait is not that long. You have my word for that. Another personal update is right now, actually, as soon as I finish recording this video, I'm actually going to head to the hospital. I'm getting a surgery. I'm getting my wisdom teeth pulled at the old age of 26. The bottom two teeth are not grown really well, so they will have to, cut the teeth or whatever. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it's not too painful, but this is probably the last time you see me with my normal face shape for a while, because next time you see me I might have this and this. So yeah, pray for me. Going to surgery in a couple of actually hopefully having an hour. I'm gonna head to the hospital right now. So again, I appreciate you. Love you. I haven't had the chance to respond to every single email, but again, I will get to you. Just know that I see them, I get your questions, I'm actively working on them, trying to make sure you get what you need. It might not be what you expected, the wait time and everything, but I assure you, if there's anything that is not right, I will make it right for you. And I will see you just in a bit.